They're looking pretty decent, right?
Is that guy?
Alright guys, I'm here at one of the last cruises of the year. Maybe one of the last, I don't know. But, you know, I'm gonna see what type of energy they got out here. Let's see what these boys talking about. But yeah, so it's supposed to be one of the last cruises, you know, for the year of 2022, going into 2023. So far, I got some decent amount of people pushing up. I'm gonna have a GoPro hooked up on the windshield so that way y'all can see what's going on. I'm not gonna be able to do much recording while I'm driving. I tried to get somebody to come with me so that that way they can record, but it's all good. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna get some rollers in. We got some people pushing up now, and then like I said, I'm gonna get the GoPro going up, and then we'll go from there. All right. See what action we got out here, and then we'll go from there. So yeah, we in Buc-ee's right now. Shit actually pretty straight in here. You know what I'm saying? They got all different type of shit. This damn is shit. Damn near almost better than Walmart, man. Shit, I got me some brisket. 2 different sandwiches. They said the brisket is really good in here. And now I'm just looking for a Powerade, which I really got one in the car, so fuck it. I got some chips in the car too, so that'll work. You gotta get this shit in the car. Yeah, cookie dough bites. Damn, they got all different type of shit in here. God damn. They got jerky. They got all the beef jerky you can get in this motherfucker, bro. That's crazy. This is insane. They got cherry maple jerky, lemon pepper jerky. Yeah. Got everything in this motherfucker. They got shit I ain't never seen before. Shit, let me check out real quick, but they really got some decent shit in here. This is crazy. This is a nice little pit stop. Like if you're on the road going north, leaving out of Georgia, this is like one of the nicest like pit stops I've ever seen. This is crazy. And I think it's open 24 hours. That's another crazy part too. Got chicken tenders, hot dogs, wraps, brisket sausage, turkey pulled pork, sugar nuts. I'll tell you something. Yeah. Alright. I'm leaving out this motherfucker. This got like, I don't even know how many pumps. This shit gotta be like 100 pumps. I'm gonna try to go get some shots over there real quick. Get some good lighting. I definitely gotta get some shots in. Damn, look at all these ice machines. It's crazy. What kind of money is this shit producing? This shit gotta be insane. Like, fuck. This is crazy. So, I'm about to start off with this club milk. I got another brisket sandwich in here too, but I'm gonna eat that one later. Probably on my way home. But this supposed to have like cheese, I think egg, brisket. Probably something else. I don't know. I can't think of it right now. There go them bad bitches. Bad bitches for life. That was corny. That was corny. Fuck 12. Fuck you. But yeah, man. Gonna have one of these sandwiches. See how they taste. Yeah, so this sandwich is about $10 by itself. So this shit better be fucking good. Yeah. Yeah, sure. Okay, that looking pretty decent right now. I can't even tell. That looking pretty decent. God damn. Fuck. Damn. Buc-ee's? Buc-ee's? Whatever you want to call it. This motherfucker busting. Damn. Damn. That shit busting. Damn. Whew. This shit is busting.
What's up? What's up, YouTube? I'm back. So yeah, in the video before this, I was in the middle of telling y'all about the sandwich, and then my phone died. But I just want to let y'all know I devoured that sandwich. Like that was one of the best brisket sandwiches I probably had in life ever. And the crazy part is, it came from a fucking, what you want to call this, a store? This is almost like Quick Trip, but 10 times better. It might be better than Wawa. If people know what Wawa is, then you know what I'm talking about. But better than all the 7-Elevens up north. Better than Quick Trip in Georgia, or wherever you might find Quick Trip, wherever else you may find it. This right here, fire. I don't know how.
cut on that one. I definitely took the hit on that one. I ain't gonna cut. I know. For whoever in the BMW, I don't know your name yet, but I'll figure it out eventually. But C2, I know I took the hit. Shit, don't blame me on that one. That's my fault. I jumped, man. Yeah, man, we cruising, man. We cruising. Glad to have my baby back. My baby back in one piece. That E85 sound crazy. And that tune. He definitely got me on the top end. Rolling start. Definitely for sure. That's all I can really pretty much say. Right in second gear, me and him pulling neck and neck. That's the crazy part. He's tuned, I'm not. I'm still stopped. Yeah, YouTube, that should be it for tonight. Catch me back next time. Tune in. I'll be there. Might as well get a couple of traffic shots. And it's only gonna get better, baby. That shit sound good as fuck.